Hello guys, welcome back to my day 5 of English speaking practice. Daily, I few days ago I decided to speak in English within 6 months in fluency. Fluency speak English within 6 months. This is my day 5. I have no idea how to talk in English. I have no teaching and no any other classes now. Now I watch on YouTube, so I decided now. Yesterday I thinking my fast growing possible when I watch English classes watch on YouTube. Then my speaking is better. I have idea on new things in English, new words, new vocabulary, new sentence, and new grammatical, new grammar. When I watch in classes on YouTube, now today I start this session. So you are not you are not watch my past videos. Why? Please watch my past videos and support me to improve my speaking English, and subscribe the channel and like this video. I want to speak, please. I want to speak. When you support me, my motivation level is high, and I continue speaking practice in front of camera. And when one people support me, my motivation level is high. Because when now I recently I don't talk to any front of any people. So this is the source. This is the platform on YouTube. YouTube. This is the platform. I share my practice and improve myself. Then why not I am upload my videos on YouTube. Then so you can support me, please. That's it. This is my day 5 of speaking practice. So see you again in tomorrow videos, day 6. So subscribe the channel for day 6. Watch my videos. Day 6 watch my videos. Thank you.